Hello, hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Setso. This is in case you don't already know. I actually shot this video like 4 times already, and I only realized now that I didn't have my mic on and it was pretty loud, so probably didn't record anything. But we are in the mother city for my birthday week, and yeah, so we just touched down and we're on our way to get a car. Yeah, I'm gonna show you my luggage. This is my luggage, all of these, well, 2 of these, so no surprise. See you guys when we actually get into the car, and then we'll chat properly what we have to do. But I actually wanted to show you guys how the weather is looking, considering it's been very rainy in Cape Town. It's quite cloudy. Hold on, we're about to flip. Whoop. Bambizela said she got, oh, so this is the weather at the moment. You guys can see it's like very wet, panty. Now Pezu, like even flying, it was so cloudy, not even overcast, like very cloudy. But yeah, it's actually much better now compared to what it was reported to be. Neveve alivevarize the way. Hold on guys, sachiga futi bambizela sachiga. Yay. Ah, guys, life is for the living in Bella Sana. Yeah, I don't know guys, this is like a very special trip for me, because a year ago I was literally in tears because why was life being so unfair? Look, I'm such a nice person. But God said, Mtanam, I'll put you through the fire, so that's Gizoba always seen Mishak Shadrach no Abednego. Sana, not me acting like let me not even say. But anyways, yeah guys, I'm actually like because I want to chat to you guys when you're in the car so that we tell you what's happening. But check-in is actually at 2 p.m. The time now is like 11, I think it's like 20 past 11. So yeah, I don't know what car we got, but yeah, the plan is to go probably to the mall. I just need a few things, a few toiletries. Knowing me, I'll end up getting a lot more than I need. Have brunch because we didn't have breakfast. We ordered like sandwiches on the plane, and then thereafter we are gonna, yeah, I don't know, maybe do some touristy stuff. Is that Table Mountain? It's not giving tabletop. Let me show. Hold on. You see, right over there. Don't know if you guys can see right over there. I don't think that is Table Mountain. It's not very tabletopy. Yeah guys, no, let's go. But I think the next time you see me, I'll be doing probably at the restaurant when we eat, or doing a room tour for you guys. My wig even shifted, Sana. Sorrows. So our car's right there. Yeah, I guess I'll just chat to you guys when we get to the hotel. Don't I look cute? So we're actually on our way to Sea Point. We're staying in Green Point. Is this one? I guys have to bear with me. Way mangy light. But anyways, we're headed to Sea Point. We're staying in Green Point. Yeah, the views are so pretty. Cape Town, Sana, but yeah, so we're gonna go have brunch there at a place called Pauline's, and then we're gonna go straight to Green Point where we're staying to check in at 2. Yeah, something. I just want to show you guys this because I've never seen a place that needs a code to enter the toilet. And in my mind, In my mind, it's a public toilet, Sana, but I'm a toilet toilet. You actually need a code to go in because apparently people sleep in the toilets. So, shakagile, Joburg would never. Joburg would never. To have codes to go into the bathroom, shocked.
Take off your shoes, untie your shoestring, take off your cufflinks. You wanna eat food? Let me feed you. Let me run your bath water, whatever you desire. I'll aspire. Sing you a song, turn the game on. I'll brush your hair, put your do-rag on. Want a foot rub, want a manicure.
It's the bathroom area. I think this is the toilet and the shower. Let me show you the shower. Very nice, nice, nice. And then
permeated everywhere around the world.
okay, maybe let's start this side. This is like desk, TV area, mini kitchen. Have the bar fridge.
All the profits will go to charity. Our media and arts correspondent David Setso reports.
I won't vula attitude because bengifuna ukuthi luphulwandle. There's the sea. Ooh, child. Not me thinking yawa. Yay, yay. Seduzane nolwandle. I think I'm gonna go check out the beach. But yeah, this is our room tour. Very cutesy. We are staying at O2 Hotel. How cute. Have a couch. Y'all already know. You will find me here Exena Simsu. Oh, we have, I don't know what this Green Point Stadium or what. And yeah, at least we have a restaurant there. Yeah. So like I said, we're actually gonna be here for a week. Gonna be here for, where's the lighting? There you go. Actually gonna be here for a week. Landed to you on a Sunday, leaving on a Saturday. Itinerary for the week. Monday is just our lazy day where I'm gonna sleep because I haven't slept in so long. I haven't slept in so long. The itinerary for the week is Monday. We're going to be lazying around. Tuesday we're going for a helicopter ride and I think quad biking at the Atlantis Dunes. Wednesday I have to be shopping for 2 hours. I have a 2-hour shopping spree. And then later on around like 3-4 we're going to the spa for like, I don't know, the rest of the evening. So we bought this evening spa package that also offers dinner. And then what else? Thursday is my birthday. Again, for my birthday we're shopping. I'm probably gonna get my gift then. And then yeah, and then Thursday shopping and then later on dinner. I can't wait for you guys to see my outfits, my birthday dress. And then on the Friday we're going to the tram, you know, the wine tram that goes through the different wine estates. Yeah, that's what we're doing on the Friday. And then yeah, and then Saturday checkouts. So looking forward to everything. Right now I need to POO, okay, first and foremost, and then yeah, and then from there we can see what we do. So yeah, stay tuned. I hope you guys are tuned in. Kalan peginu kay ong pigile meng vlogger. Ya kayo la phemoten ong pigil. Good morning. Good morning. Let me show you my views. Sana. Good morning. It's so chilly. Oh my god, it's actually chillier than what it was when I was out here at 2 a.m. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Yari, it's very chilly. Today is Monday, the 7th of July. The time is like 11. We actually woke up around 10. Oh, that's what I call a holiday, where you don't have to rush for anything and have a jam-packed itinerary. You can literally just chill. Yeah. So I told you guys the itinerary, right? Monday, doing absolutely nothing. Tuesday, yeah, as of tomorrow, that's when we start to do. But the busiest mornings would be our Tuesday and our Friday. So Wednesday, Thursday, chill vibes as well. I hope you guys can hear me. Yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Like no words can explain how I feel right now. Is this our food? I actually ordered some Uber Eats. Let's see. Let's see. I like how now we can do things together. Let's see. You guys see that? Oh, he's here. Yeah, I think that's him. Njalo mengizonjikisa kanye ngizonjula ukuthi nibambezele ne. Oh yeah, that is definitely our food. Can I show you guys? I'll show you before he sees me. Can you see? That's our food. Anyways, I'm so tired. The weather is actually quite cloudy. Bambezela siachiga, yay! Guys, you guys have to be with me. We are new using this device. So, can you see the weather? Can you see the weather? Yeah, Bambezela siachiga, yay! It's quite cloudy today. It's going to be cloudy tomorrow as well, and then Wednesday, Thursday we forecasted for rain. So I'm actually happy sifike kunganethi kakhulu or whatever, you know. But breakfast is here. We're gonna have breakfast or brunch. We're gonna lounge around. We wanna watch a movie, and then later on, yeah, probably do like touristy stuff, walk around, do something. But we're definitely gonna go out for dinner. There's no way. So I'll probably see you guys during the day if we walk around, or see you guys at the restaurants. Toodaloo.
Crazy. We just can't really afford to. Just for that. Oh, what time is it?
We're actually back to the small but if I can use my code ngena in my toilets. We actually had to get a few snacks and and I don't know, just take a walk. I think when we get back to the hotel we'll take a walk on the promenade.
Sijikile izinto manje. Bathi lithatha semnyango lemeke emsamo. Lithatha semsamo lemphose emnyango. Phethe mina manje.
Hello, hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. CIISETSO. Let's go. But I must say, of course. morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Show you my outfit in the today. So today is Tuesday, the 8th of July. Can I show you my views? Bambezela said, look at that, how cute. Bambezela Futsi. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, CIISETSO. That's the Setso in case you want to act like you don't already know. Today's the 8th of July, like I said. Today we had to go for a helicopter ride and quad biking at the Atlantis Dunes. The helicopter place is like 6 minutes from us, so the time is currently 11:15. We're leaving now. We need to be there 30 minutes before. Yeah, actually so excited about today. Let's go see what's gonna happen. This is my fit, but I think when we go on the quad bikes, I'm gonna take this off because helmet. I'm gonna take this off, but I'm gonna put a duke because I don't want my hair getting damaged by the helmet or having helmet hair. Yeah, I'm gonna put a duke on, and yeah, this is my outfit. Generally cute. Let's go, guys. Hi guys, actually just arrived at the Cape Town helicopters, as you guys can see behind me. Sana, I need to get used to people looking at me when I vlog because YouTube sensation on the rise.
Angelina, you the cool in my temperature. If you call, I go come deliver. I no go fall in your hand.
Let me see your ticket, guys, please. And you guys are aware of the permits, the 250. There's an entrance fee of 250 per person.
Yes. Or per person.
Now take your bag. Can think it's too small, but we can find something. Small top.
That's what I tell you. It's the first time to use the quad bike.
Oh, I
Yeah,
I used one in Dubai, but bigger than
this. This one is automatic.
this.
Right, and no need to worry about the gears changing what. Only 3 things. This one is the accelerator. Yeah, it's this one. Use the right thumb.
You'll be pressing like this and you go.
Yeah, but start by pressing slowly, né? So you can feel how fast it goes. Don't start by pressing strictly.
Just slowly.
Yeah, slowly. Slowly. How you press, the fast it goes. Which side is the brakes? The left one, eh? Okay. Left side is brake. So which inside? Alright, inside, one line. We drive after each other. Not overtaking each other, no drifting and no funny stuff. Okay? You just keep the distance between each other to avoid bumping. Right? Phones, car keys, keep them safe. Once it falls here, or it falls inside here, it's broken or it's gone.
Yeah. Okay, wait. Nako. Kunela. Okay, in front.
Fix it in post.
Okay, fix it in post. Okay.
Fix it in post.
Get there.
So you guys are chewing for them. We are in the depths. So you better take your own one and then I'll also take some.
I'll take both of you.
Okay, baby.
We are born to run away TV. I wanna be Sunday. Yes, you for more. Yes, you for more. Yes, you for more. I'm standing one below too. We are born to run away TV. I wanna be Sunday. Yes, you for more. Yes, you for more. Yes, you for more. I'm standing one below too.
Today's the 9th of July. It's a Wednesday. There's actually no plans for us today. Today is a shopping spree. I'm going on a shopping spree. Yeah, and we just need to get a few other things. So I have my eye on certain things. So if we do get the certain things that I'm eyeing, I'll definitely show you guys around. But if I don't, then there's not much you'll see today. Is there gonna be dinner? What are you doing today? Oh, I'm lying. Today we actually have a spa evening. It's gonna be into Zantambama like 4. So yeah, that's why during the day we're just gonna go shopping. I'm gonna go shopping. I actually wanna try a hairstyle. I got this wig from Shein. It's a 13x6. Bleach knots, pre-plucked. It's not black, but yeah. It's a 24-inch. Yeah, and I got another brown one, which I'm not sure if I'll wear or not, but that brown one is a 26-inch, but this 24-inch looks longer than that. Not looks, is longer than that. So yeah, so this one, the difference between the two of them is that this one I can wear as a pre-plucked, as a glueless, but the other one I can't. Yeah. So anyways, guys, I'm in Cape Town. I didn't really tell you guys what's in GP. I'm at Cape Town. Well, I'm in Cape Town in Greenpoint, celebrating my birthday. I haven't really celebrated my birthday in a couple of years. Last year was the first time actually like doing something for my birthday, but this year I'm on a trip for my birthday. Was it planned? No, I didn't really plan that I would have a trip to Cape Town on my birthday, but a few months before that, the idea came about, and I said, child, I be damned. I said, I be damned. So yeah, like I told you guys, this one has a strap, and you can actually, strapping is upside down. No, upwards. Yeah, see, it has these loops that you can put in, as opposed to the brown one, which you cannot wear as a glueless. But this one, no mangigoga, is a glueless. I actually like putting a headband on it just for to be secure. Sana, tell me why I'm on a balcony putting on a wig with people down there looking at me, and I'm just like, do you content creator? Way to boom shakalaka. I'm a content creator. Oh, I forgot a mirror. Hold on. Sana, I'm a jonga. The content creator. Guys, when you put on a wig, your Pokemon. You put 4 fingers on top of your first. Well, you put 4 fingers from your eyebrows. So my wig's supposed to be here. It's gonna be hard because I'm not gluing it down, but okay. Shame, guys. I wish oh, okay, fit maybe going in why have I been AWOL on my channel? I haven't been AWOL, guys. I actually was very sick, like hospital type sick. Yeah, you guys know I've really been struggling with my health for the past year. I really have been struggling with my health. Look at that, guys. It's giving scalp, can you see? But right now I don't need scalp. Ori, me scalp irish. But I'm shit. Sorry, guys. But anyways, as I was saying, I've been struggling with my health, and yeah, like a few weeks ago or like a month ago now, I got the flu, and I went to the doctor, got medication for my flu, only for the medication to actually trigger my acid problems. And yeah, I got really ill, like bendi perisha. Ended up having to see a dietitian because now obviously my gut health is terrible. I think Zofagi dog. It's a very rich girl, I'm a dog, because no ways I'm gonna. Because I wanted to wear a headband. Guys, I was strong. But my point is, I got really sick, so I couldn't really take content. Yeah, and then I was okay. I'll focus on my health and changing my diet. So I think pretty soon I'm gonna start introducing like a new segment on my channel where I show you guys like the foods that I eat, like what I eat in a day. Puts me pretty soon. That might happen in a few months' time, because after this holiday I'm going back to real life, and real life means guys, but like mind you guys, in like 6 minutes. I've taken more than 6 minutes, so I'm just a girl bandler. How am I gonna put this on? And now I've started with you guys, meaning itenani. Ayeke makenge ngizombona mingiqeda ne. Fanele sebenzile into enjayizayo. Okay guys, I'm about to go out. I actually want to show you my outfits. Yes, wait. Sesila manje guys. Izinto jikile, baningi bathukile. Dala ngisho mama ngizoba nqonqozelabo. That's my outfit for the day. Pretty cute now. So banqonqozela bonke sibaphahlele bonke siba benginamahloni ukuvloga emphakathini.
I wonder where you got those eyes. They must have been got special pride. Oh, now you truly bless everything that you touch. My heart's in a mess, and you sweep it all up. You got me crying over you, rock my world. Changing things I do.
Sana, I'm so annoyed actually. But yeah, I see me clean. These are the showers. This is my locker for the day. I get a gown, I get slippers. And these are the mini vanities. Sadi Kwanga, because why are they attending to us late? Sadi Kwanga, like I can't even pretend to smile. I'm so annoyed. I hate people that don't take me seriously. Yeah. Sana. Mina ngithatha abantu serious. Nabantu ngifuna bangithathe serious. Yebo guys, ngifasa inwele. Nama ngazi nje. I just need to get this on. Very dicked. Okay, so full push. Shy, not amadeus. Forward
It helps
very.
with tension in the muscles. So it's almost like a deep tissue, but not really a
I'd
tissue.
like that add-on. Do you want to swim? I mean the width. Chlorine, but